In this video, I'm going to show you my progress of my knee. I can walk pretty easily. I can also brisk walk, fast walk that is. Single leg standing, squats, half squats, full squats, quad stretch, I can also stand without a brace on, but I can't walk without a brace. Now I'm going to show you exercises which I do. This is a 5 kg belt which I wrap above my ankle. It needs to be tight. I'm only doing 1 rep just to show you all. I usually do 10 reps of each exercise. This was strengthening. Now I'll show you stretching. First stretch. Second. These are core variation. 1. Second core variation. Third, cycling. This is the weirdest exercise I have ever done in my life. Last one.